Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm here with a product review for Miss Mary from Seaside Bath Company, and she also owns a pearl company. I will link everything down below. And this is a eczema cream body butter that she sent me to test out because of my eczema, and I've tested this for a month, and look all of that I have. It doesn't take much. You take a little on your finger, rub it in, and it goes a long way on your skin. Okay, and it is very creamy. It doesn't leave a residue film on you. It is EU compliant, and I have the unscented one. And you have, this is an 8 ounce. The ingredients are right here, and then you have the instructions on how to do it. I've tested this for a month, and I'm telling you, I would recommend this for anybody that has sensitive skin and has eczema. This is very, very good. Um, hmm. I will link her shop or her website down below in the description box, and you can go on and buy it for yourself. But I really love this because see, it leaves no greasy residue or anything on your skin. So, you know, see that? I have it up to here on my arm. And I only took a little bit on the tip of my finger, rubbed it in my hand, and up to this part on my arm. Okay? So, this is the eczema body butter, and I would recommend it for those that have sensitive skin and has eczema. Okay, thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell when to get notified of when I put up new content. Please be happy, be kind, be courteous, be safe, and thanks for watching. I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, crafty angels.